Let's see what we can get for 20 bucks right now for tomorrow for some fishing in the river. Right there, blue one. Cheapest one here, 10 bucks. I like to use the open reel in the river. So here we go. So for the split shots, I usually use the size 5 for the river or streams. $1.24. About was 10 bucks. Let's see what else we can find. I'm gonna try some power bait. See what they have. I think this will work right here. The salmon peach. Now we just gotta look for some hooks. Let's see. $1.27. These ones I use right here, the size 8. Pretty sure we get on some trout with these. So it should be less than 20 bucks. I'll ring it up right now and check it out. So here we are. $19.46 for our stuff for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll land some trout with it. Here's the supplies right here that we got for 20 bucks. Got the rod, Ozark Trail. Comes with line. Got the Eagle Claws size 8. The golds. Some power bait. Some salmon peach. Got the split shots. So try to get on some trout now. We made it out here to Pickles River. We're gonna be fishing for some trout. It's a little icy out here, but hopefully we get some. So this is my simple setup right here. Got 2 split shots. Tie it directly to the hook. There's the power bait, the salmon peach. So we're here down at the river. It's like 10 degrees out here. It's really cold. It's real pretty though. We're gonna try in this spot right here. Got one. Fresh trout of the day right here. Look at that, on the salmon peach. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right there. A nice rainbow. First catch of the day right there. Nice rainbow trout. Let's release him back. Put right into the hole right here. Salmon peach. The $20 setup right here. Whoa. Fell off. Check that out. Release him back into the water. Oh, another one right now. Let's get this sucker in. Yep. Check that out. $20 setup right there. Another trout. Check that out. Got the pole right here, 20 bucks for all this stuff. I'm catching trout. Already caught 3. He's on a trout right here. Oh dang, it's a brown. What'd you catch it on?
Salmon peach.
Dang, check that out.
It's a beautiful one too.
Beautiful brown right there. Right on the lip. Dang. Getting a bite right now. I think he's on. I don't see the bait. Yep. On him. On him. Another one. Right there. Fourth one. Sweet. Another one.
Star cube. Got it.
Check that out. We caught our limit already. 5 of them. 5 of them for the day right there. Check that out. Beautiful rainbow trout in Pecos, New Mexico. We're gonna release them right now. Yep, wrong one, I think. Yep. Get right on that bank right there. Let it slide over. Let's see. Nice trout. Look at that. Check that out. Right on the lip. Beautiful. Release the trout back into the ice water right here. Same spot. That's it. Got a man. A little fighter. Big fish with this setup right here. Same bait, salmon peach power bait, killing it. Look at that rainbow. This rod did really great today. With a $20 setup, caught 8 trout today. Not bad. It was an icy river.